What's up, guys? Jordan Yost here from Precision Tube Laser. As you guys can imagine, we get a tremendous amount of comments and requests through our social media to add new services into our arsenal here at PTL. And today we're going to introduce you to the newest one that we've added, which is a tumbling service. Tumbling is a post-process service that edge rounds, softens, smooths out parts, and creates a better product. And that's what we're always striving to do. What we have behind us is two Spalic Industry Diablo XLs. They're incredible tumblers. These are the first two that have actually been delivered to the United States, so it's kind of exciting to have something fresh and new. We reached out to our good friend Cole at Precision Fab and Machinery, and he got us educated and hooked up with these pieces of equipment. So we're going to take a little deeper dive into what these machines are about and kind of give you some education on what this service offers. All right, a couple of the cool features about this particular piece of equipment and why we chose it. One is the size of it, okay? This is an XL, so not only does this allow us to tumble small parts, which most people are very familiar with, it allows us to tumble large parts, some tubing parts, angle iron parts, parts that have been bent. So it gives us a lot more flexibility in the capacity with this piece of equipment. One of the other features that's really cool about this machine is that it's a dry tumbler. It doesn't require water. It has its own filtration system. We use a little bit of corn maze, which you see on top of these parts here, and that kind of replaces the water. Not only does it clean the media, but it helps remove any oil and grease off of the parts. Outside of that, it is a tumbling process, no vibratory, which means it's a lot more quiet of a process. So between the way that this is designed with the rubber lining and the door, we don't really have a lot of noise when these parts are actually tumbling. We get a very, very consistent result, which is really cool. We're really liking what we're putting in here and the results that we're getting out of them. We do have two. The reason why we have two is we have one that's specifically for steel, which is tumbled with steel pyramids. And then we have one for aluminum and stainless, which is tumbled with ceramic media. And again, it gives us a very, very uniform finish and a really, really happy result. These tumblers have been a great addition to the RQ service that we currently offer within our facility. This just allows us a little bit more flexibility to make sure we're giving the customer the perfect part. Whether it's prep for powder coat, paint, welding, we've got a little bit more opportunity now to give that desired finish. If you guys have any questions about tumbling or you want to add it into your quote, make sure you mention it when you send in your requests. If you have any questions on the machinery itself, you can always comment below. We'll also drop in Precision Fab and Machinery below. They are the North American distributor for this piece of equipment, as well as Spalic Industries. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to the next service.